Hello friends, hello everyone. Once again welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty. Keep you happy, keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet top scatter designs, top designs, blouse designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to you people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs. Brought to your channel in the first time, you can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion any videos, and if you guys want, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, this video is amazing. Every video lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. So inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Will remember pay and bye. Thank you.